Hi everyone, welcome to my session Balu Bhimreddy, and my channel is Balu Chemistry. Please subscribe my channel. Right, today we will discuss about very important named reactions in organic chemistry, that is pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. Right, pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement, that is molecular rearrangement involving electron deficient carbon. Okay, now the definition of pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement is, okay, acid catalyzed conversion of pinacol means 1,2-diols into carbonyl compounds with the elimination of water molecule. Acid catalyzed conversion of pinacol into carbonyl compounds with the elimination of water molecule. Okay, in the presence of acid catalyst, right, in the presence of acid catalyst. Now observe carefully. I take one example, that is CH3C methyl group. This is OH, and carbon, this is methyl group, this is also methyl group, this is OH. This is pinacol. One comma two diols. The adjacent carbons having OH groups. That's why this is called 1,2 diols. Reacted with diluted acids. That means diluted H2SO4. We get CH3C double bond O carbon, this methyl group and methyl group. This is the product. Acid catalyzed means in the presence of diluted acid, conversion of pinacol, that means 1,2-diol converted into carbonyl compound. This is carbonyl compound. Okay, is called pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement reaction. Just rearrangement takes place in the reaction. Okay, now the mechanism. Observe the mechanism carefully. Okay, what happened? I take, this is the starting material, and H plus comes from H2SO4, right? Here okay, H comes from diluted H2SO4. Okay, this is H plus, right? Now here one lone pair of electron, so protonation takes place. Okay, now the product is CH3OH and this methyl group and OH2 plus, positive charge in oxygen atom. Okay, now elimination of water molecule. Now the product is, okay, then as for our convenient purpose, OH, writing this way, C, this is positive charge, and this is CH3, this is CH3. OH2 eliminated in the form of water molecule. Now this carbon having positive charge, For this positive charge satisfaction purpose, that means valence purpose, one this methyl group is migrated from this carbon to this carbon, right? Now this bond migrated towards carbon. Now the product is CH3 C double bond O C, this newly methyl group, and this is previous old methyl group. These two methyl groups are previous, that means as usual, and this CH3 group is coming from this carbon. Okay, this is carbonyl compound. Okay, now are you understood? Now diluted H2SO4, here we use diluted H2SO4. Now this is exception case, we use concentrated H2SO4. We use concentrated H2SO4. Okay, we get olefin CH3C, CH3, 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 right? No, not CH3, this is methyl group, sorry, alcohol group. So pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement takes place at dilute acids only, not for concentrated acids. If we use concentrated acids, concentrated H2SO4, we get olefins. This is olefin. That means double bond present. Olefins. Okay. For our convenient purpose, just remember it. But this is not for our pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. Okay. Now, commonly used catalysts are mineral acids, that is diluted H2SO4, diluted HNO3, and diluted HCl. These all are in diluted condition. We use only diluted acids. Now second category, this is first category. Second category also, the main purpose is hydrogen protonation purpose. This first step purpose, H plus, we need H plus. That's why we use diluted acid. Lewis acids also used sometimes. These are BF3 or SnCl4. BF3 or SnCl4. Okay, clear? Now, one minute. Now, here OH group. See, this carbon having two methyl groups, this carbon also having two methyl group. This is symmetrical. Okay, this is symmetrical. Otherwise, I take this is symmetrical. Clear? This is symmetrical. In which carbon OH group is eliminated in the form of OH2? takes place, and which carbon having positive charge. Here all four groups are same, that's why this carbon achieved positive charge or this carbon is same. Otherwise I take this one and CH3 and C2H5 are phenyl group. Here phenyl group, this is CH3 and this is phenyl group, and here OH group and OH group. So now which is gets positive charge and which group is migrated? This is unsymmetrical. This is unsymmetrical compound. So in symmetrical there is no variation for the formation of carbocation and migration of group, because all groups are same. But in unsymmetrical compound we have some problem, which is more stable carbocation and which group migrated from one carbon to another carbon. That is main problem. Here stability of carbocation order. Carbocation order is first one is tertiary, secondary, and primary and methyl group. This is the order for only the compound having only tertiary alkyl group or secondary or primary alkyl group. Otherwise the carbon having some benzyl rings. So that is the methyl group having electron donating group is more stable. Right. No, there is for this convenient purpose we have benzyl rings. One more option is there, that is tertiary alkyl positive charge. This is tertiary alkyl is more favorable than pH. CH2 is more stable than CH2 double bond CH plus, and secondary R bond C or H positive than primary, then CH3 positive. Okay, this is the stability of carbocation. So which compound having more stable? Tertiary alkyl compound is having more stable. That carbon only achieved for positive charge. Then only that carbon having positive charge, then next carbon alkyl group or aryl group shifted towards positive charge carbon. Now migrating aptitude. Which one is more preferable? Migrating attitude. Now migrating aptitude is, first one is hydrogen. Wherever the hydrogen present in carbon, that hydrogen migrates from one carbon to positive charge carbon. First preference goes to hydrogen, then only aryl group, right? Then tertiary, secondary and primary and CH3 group. This is one type of order. And second type of order is, right, electron donating group. Just imagine phenyl group, phenyl ring having electron donating group. Electron donating group. This is more migrating aptitude than electron withdrawing group. This is electron donating group. This is electron withdrawing group. This is second one, right? and third one having lengthy, but remember the order, right? Next one, this is OCH3 is more preferable, more migrating aptitude than CH3 benzene group, then methyl benzene, then chloro benzene, then nitro. Okay, this is the order. Please remember which carbocation is more stable, that means which carbon eliminates the water molecule, and which group migrated from one carbon to another carbon depends upon these stability order and migrating aptitude order only. Okay, without these two categories we can't do anything. We must follow the rules of stability and migrating aptitude order. Now the main examples are, we discuss main examples. Just 2-3 examples are enough. Please go through application part. Okay, now in earlier we discussed about the carbon having only methyl groups. Now only phenyl groups, COH, COH and PH, and here also PH, no. Okay, right. Now these H plus ions, for example, this water molecule is eliminated, this bond is here, this bond migrated to this carbon to this carbon. Now the product is PH, C double bond O, C, PH, phenyl group and phenyl group, right? Now the second one is PH, C, PH, this is OH, C, OH, and I take one CH3 group here, one CH3 group. This is unsymmetrical. So you must follow the order of migrating aptitude and stability order. Okay, please go through that order and stability of carbocation order. Now the product is C double bond O, C, C, CH3, PH, C double bond O, CH3. Clear? Now third one is, so all examples are go like this way. Now we can change the example. Now we can change the example. I take 5-membered ring, right? This is 5-membered ring and I have one hydrogen, one alkyl group and one alkyl group. So we see the total mechanism for this one. A little bit confused. Observe carefully what happened. Okay, now this 5-membered ring is common and this is also 5-membered ring, and OH is common. Here OH2 positive charge. Okay, now removal of water, we get 5-membered ring. This is OH, this is positive charge. Okay, this is positive charge. Now what happened? this carbon, this CH2 group migrated to here. Now clear? Then only we get this is OH. This direct bond formation takes place. This direct bond formation takes place, and this carbon acquired positive charge. This carbon acquired positive charge. Now this bond moves towards this carbon, right? Now the product is and this is double bond. This is 6-member ring expansion. This is 5-member ring keto group. Okay, these are the examples of pinnacle pinnacolone rearrangement. Clear? Okay friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and promote my videos, share it, like it, and press the bell icon. Thank you. We will meet again. One of the important named reaction, right? That is benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. Next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.